Hello friends, today I want to do unboxing of code from the North Face. So I've got lately code from North Face. So I opened the frame in this cellophane. So it's the small jacket from the North Face. And it looks like this. It's a model name of the model is this one, Hydrenalite or something, fawn grey. Size is XX large and it looks like this. So the coat is from the North Face. In front it has this North Face embroidered sign. This color reminds me more like lilac, violet. This coat's supposed to be 600, and on the back it also has the North Face sign here. North Face sign. What else it has? Here it says North Face. Comes with a zipper. Only one way zipper. And it has pockets that are unzippered too. And inside they are. One side is lined with this material, which looks really cheaply made, but it's warm at least a little bit. And this side is not lined at all. So the pockets close like so. See, both pockets. Has hold, which is not zip-on but stuck for good. And so let me try on this because this will be the best when I try it on. Then you can see how it looks on me. Now I put you here and let me try it on. So the coat looks like this on me. Looks on this camera not tall. Okay. So the coat on me looks like this. Wasn't sure what size to get, but I got XX large because I was reading reviews that it is run small, so I'm actually happy I got size XX large because then I can wear warmer or more bigger oversized hoodies and yeah, oversized hoodies. Yeah, so this coat looks like this in front. On the side looks like this. You can zip it. Almost like this. It has me halfway too bad. So that's good, because on the side it was like the waist and it would be short, and this way, because I've got size bigger, so it's a bit too long. So that's good. Yay. Yeah, so it's good. I like the color. I like the hood. Hood looks like this on me. And I zip it, it's like this. Not bad. Because it could be a little smaller. But then at least when it's raining, rain doesn't go on your glasses, so it's good. Yeah, nice coat. Me like it. Actually, it's warm and breathable, so I recommend it. This layer is not bad at all. I thought it would be more thinner, and it's not. It has some layer of down, so that's good. Inside it doesn't come with pockets, just here outside. No, here it doesn't have any pocket, and here also not. Oh no, here it comes undone already, look. So the quality is not perfect. They should make it more detailed. Oh, it looks like this. Yeah, so that's my coat from the North Face unboxing. So last year I got more coats that were very long and noopsty jacket, and this year they were also on sale, but I didn't get it because I wanted black and they got sold out. But I still have two. I'm wearing green one lately. But yeah, I've got this one, and I just got today another one on sale, and I will unbox it in near future when it comes to me. And this one is from previous sale. I think it was Black Friday sale, so it was cheap also. Not the regular price, but also I had some pass from I had that coupon code for $30, and also it was sale for Black Friday, so I got it cheaper. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe and comment down below if you like North Face coats. Next video. Hope you enjoyed. Thumbs up, subscribe, bye.